Let's talk macerators. So basically it's a way of getting rid of wastewater by pumping it through a smaller pipe if you can't get a 4-inch pipe to wherever you want to get it to a toilet, a bathroom, that kind of stuff. So what we've got here, we've got the Vito. They manufacture and sell these products. So they've got loads of different macerators. So whether you want to get a wash basin, a washing machine, a sink, a bath, whatever it is, to wherever you want it to get to, they've got the macerator to do it. I've got this one, it's the FP400, so it comes in a box like this, and it's got technical advice all over it so that you know which one you're getting and what it can do. So this one is for an ensuite or a bathroom. I noticed straight away as soon as I opened the box, which was great for me, was this, the guarantee warranty card. And on here it's got a telephone number that your customer can ring straight away should they have any problems with it after you've installed it. The other good thing, we've got technical advice that we can help you out with before, during the installation and after the installation, because it's always nice to have that backup sometimes. It comes with fantastic instructions that are actually lots of different pictures to show you exactly how to do it, because us plumbers sometimes we don't like reading words, we just like looking at a picture and it'll show you exactly how to do it. So like I said, what this one is, it's the FP400 and it's made especially for an ensuite, bathroom suite, something like that. So it's got 3 different connections, so you connect bidet, a sink unit, a shower, and also you can connect your toilet onto the front of here. If you want to go vertical with this, it goes up to 8 meters in height. If you want to go horizontal, that's like 80 meters in length, so you can quite versatile to be able to get you away from that building. The other good thing I've found out about these is the quality. You can actually see and feel the quality when you get it out of the box. Fantastic quality, but much cheaper than its competitors. The other good thing about it, if you want to maintain it, you don't have to take it away or out of situ. You can get into it without any tools and you can maintain it while it's actually installed. So like I said, fantastic. You get all the kit. It's got a very long wire on it, so it doesn't matter where the actual supply is, you're going to be able to get to it. Like I said, that's your Flow Pro macerator from Mark Vito, and that's why I love plumbing. The macerator that we'll be taking out. I've never seen that before. Have you? That's it. That's the Flow Pro fitted. Very easy, just straight swap. And when I did it to pieces, I thought I would do this flush daddy system spares pack. So you get the flush there, you get the fill valve, you get 1.5 inch and 2 inch, so you come through the bottom, you get the buttons and all the other bits to go with it. So that's it, job's a good one. And there you go, absolutely brilliant, thank you very much. And that's why I love plumbing.